show you how to do a missing eye effect, and I'm going to be using liquid latex instead of wax today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a cotton pad. I've actually stuck two together as I don't want the latex to get too close to my eye. I bought some from Poundland earlier and they're actually this thin compared to that. These are the ones I glued together. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get some liquid latex. I'm just using a cheap one I bought last Halloween. And you want to put it around the edges of the cotton pad. So I'm just using a cotton bud and I'm going to go around the edges. Once you think you have enough, you then place it on the eye. I find that with this look it has taken me a couple of attempts as it has fallen off or it's gone really wrong. So it's okay to make mistakes. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some foundation and I'm going to go over the cotton pad. Make sure with the foundation it kind of matches your skin tone. It could be better to use a darker colour as the cotton pad is white. You just want to go over it. Okay, once you've covered the pad, you then go on and add a setting powder. I'm then going to move on and start to add colour. I find with this look it's quite hard to pull off as you can't see out of both of your eyes. I'm going to take I'm going to start with red face paint and I'm going to colour in some areas. I'm then going to go around the edges of the cotton pad with a red eyeshadow. Just going to dab a bit. And then I'm going to go back in on the cotton pad and I'm going to use a black face paint. I like to use black face paint as I find it adds depth to like cuts and things. then I'm going to move on and use a darker red face paint crayon. I'm using this one. And I'm going to go around the edges again and just dab. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some fresh scab to my injury. I'm using this one by the knife, and I'm going to dab some on my finger and place it on. If you watched my last video, you'd notice that this dries like a scab. It kind of just looks like that at the beginning. This is usually where things go wrong. Okay, once you're kind of happy with how that looks, you then move on to adding some fake blood. I'm going to be using this fake blood by the knife, and I'm going to put some on the brush and go and try and fill in the whites. You can always go back and add more fresh scab or anything you're using, which I will probably do. go back in and add some more fresh scab to the white bits if it sticks. It tends to peel it off. And again, I'm going to fix it with some blood. This one honestly takes ages to do for me. But if anyone else can do this one, let me know how you do it. Okay, I think I've covered all the white bits, so I'm now going to add some dripping effects to give it a bit more of a realistic look. And that is my finished look for a missing eye. Yeah, it's kind of messy. If you liked my video, then give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And please let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to do next. Bye!